This video covers how to take screenshot on iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro using 3 different methods. Let's begin. The first method is using the hardware buttons. So find the volume up button on the left and the side button on the right. Now quickly press both buttons together. You will get this preview. You can crop, edit or just save the screenshot. The second method is using the back tap method. This needs a one-time setup. Go to Settings. Then scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Go inside Touch. Scroll down again. Tap Back Tap. Now select Double Tap. From this list, select Screenshot. In the future, double tapping the back of your iPhone 17 will save the screenshot. The third method and one of the most easiest way to screenshot on iPhone is using Siri. Just launch the Siri. Say screenshot. It captures the screenshot. That's it for this video on how to take screenshot on iPhone 17 Pro. Thanks for watching.